Come here, behind.
Keep your head up, chin up and move. Wait. Mark. Look up and pass. Yeah. One with your left, one with your right. Yeah, very good. Yes, look up now. Look up. Yeah, good one.
The Sporting Club the Goa grassroots program, which we say it is like a sporting academy, because we have enrolled around 70 to 80 students from Don Bosco and nearby school on the first phase. So our target is just to cover around 150 students for minimum for this program. This is the base for our youth teams. This is a grassroots program, and which we want to spread it out all over with a big number. This program is started from today. The formal inauguration was done. This program will last till the month of May, and then there will be a break for 1 month, and then again we are going to resume that after the monsoon. So this is for me is an annual program of Sporting Club de Goa.